Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build Alliance HQ in Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we need to join or create an alliance. So you must be part of an alliance to build an Alliance HQ. If you're not in one, either join an existing alliance or create your own. So if we go down the bottom of the in-game menu here, I haven't got it unlocked yet, but we can see here Alliance unlocks at town level number 6, so you got to keep that in mind. So now once you've done that, access the Alliance menu. So tap on that Alliance icon in the game's main interface to open up the Alliance menu. Then from here, navigate to Alliance Territory. So within the Alliance menu, select the Territory tab. This section allows you to manage and expand your Alliance territory. Then from here, we can select Build Alliance HQ. So in the Territory Management section, choose the option to Build Alliance HQ. Then we need to choose a strategic location. So place your Alliance HQ in a location that covers valuable resources, such as Alliance iron mines. Positioning it along the fog that conceals at least one Alliance iron mine is recommended for early game advantage. And now from here we need to confirm and construct. So once you've selected a location, confirm the placement to initiate construction. Ensure your Alliance has sufficient resources and banners to support the build.